Students, today will be study to the exercise in integers. You are looking here two questions. In the first question, find the sum of 256 and minus 312, and the second question is minus 319 and minus 136. And third question is minus 127 and 300. If you observe clearly all the three questions in a question number first, then you will find that here the second integer is minus, and the second question both the two integers are in the minus sign, and the third question is the first integer is minus sign and the second integer is plus sign. So first of all, we solve the first question. Here 256, we take the sign in place of and plus sign, and here minus 312, we have to put it on the negative integers in the bracket, because in the bracket the left side plus sign and the right side in a bracket another sign minus sign. If we both the two sign plus and minus in the just above each side, then it is not good. So here we solve 256 plus minus minus 312, and in the question, if any questions have given the two integers, first integer is plus and the second integer in the minus sign, in this question always we have to take the solution like this. First of all, we have to take the solution 312 in the upper side right, and minus 256 here 6 5 here 56, then right here 56, and looking here closely to both the two integers, here is the integer 312 in the minus sign is bigger than 256 without the integers. So here the sign is minus putting on, and answer is clear to here and to see there. And here minus 56 is the answer of this both the two sum of the integers, and we go to the other question solution. Minus 319 plus minus 136. Here is both the two integers are the same sign. When any question both the two integers are the same sign, this type of the solution is always in the addition mode. So like this, 9 and 6 15, 5 1 carry, 3 1 4 and carry 5, and 3 and 1 4. Here 455, but here is the negative sign compulsory, because both the two integers are the negative sign. So here is the solution of the addition is in minus sign is necessary to write. And the third question, minus 127 plus 30 shows here if any integers in between both the two integers, any integers are in the plus and other integers are minus, then this type of addition solution is always in the subtraction mode. Then here 300 minus 127, 3, here 173, and here compare with both the two sides of the integers. Here is the 300 is in a positive and 127 is negative. Then the answer will be in a positive integers, because positive integers is greater than the negative integers. So the solution is 173. And here the other questions, subtraction question given here in the three conditions. First condition, two integers, first integers is positive and second integers is negative, and the second question both the two integers are the minus sign, and third question is the first integers is minus sign and second integers is the positive sign. For this, the first question of the solution of subtraction is here question says 32 from minus 56, it means 56 in the left side of the place of the solution, and 32 is the right side of the place. Here we have to looking very carefully that both the integers are the same sign. If both the integers are the same sign, then it will be clear for the above solution. Here both the two integers are in the additive mode. So here is the solution for the question number second first, and the second is minus 80 minus 73. Here minus 80 minus plus. In the productive case, we have to discuss before the day. If in the productive case minus multiplied by the minus sign, then it will be always to the sign of the plus is here, and here one integer is plus and one integer is minus, then it will be always the solution for this in minus mode. So 10 minus 3 770, it means the solution is 7, but here is, if we closely observe the question, then 80 is greater than 73, so the sign of 80 is negative is right here, will be right here, so the answer will be minus 7 is correct. Solution of the third question, 72 minus 63, then 72 minus plus 63, and 3 to 5 and 6 7 13. Here the answer will be 135. And after both the two questions, we will go to the other question number 3. Here the question number 3, subtract the sum of minus 524 and 678 from minus 92. Here, first of all, we closely observe the question. The sum of minus 524 and 678. It means minus 524 and 678 is the sum. It means the addition. And after the addition of both the number, we will subtract minus 92 to that of the number was the solution of the addition. Here the question is, in this part you all are given the solution. Minus 92 minus minus 524 plus 678 here. This is the condition of the solution for this question is here, and after that minus 92 minus, first of all you solve the question of the bracket integers. Here minus 524 plus 678 and from the above solution, here is plus integer, here is minus integers. It means it will be, the solution is in the subtraction mode. 8 minus 4, 4, and 7 minus 2, 5, 6 minus 5, 1, and here 678 is greater than 524, then the sign of the integers is plus mode, and here minus 92 and minus plus minus 154, both the integers are the same sign. For this we have to take the sum of the two integers. 4, 2, 6, 9, 5, 14, 1 carry, 1, 1, 2. Here is minus 246 of this question answer. And the other question is simplify 14 minus 18 plus in bracket of minus 32 minus in bracket of minus 15. For this we have to break the bracket in the outer side of the sign, minus minus plus 18 plus. Here minus 32 minus minus plus 15 and 14 18 is 32 plus, and here 32 minus 15, it will be 17. Then 32 plus 17 minus sign here, because the integers is minus is greater than the 15, then here will be the sign of minus. Then 12 minus 7 5 and 2 minus 1 1. Here is the solution of this given question. Okay guys, and here is the solution of the both the question number 3 and 7. You have to write it very clearly, and in this exercise you all solve at home and send the solution through the YouTube and not possible, then you will be send the solution through WhatsApp to the school. And the exercise, many students have not the book of the new book of class 7, so the exercise will be sent, the question exercise will be sent the students. Okay,